Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, May 23rd of 2019. It's hard to believe that we're kind of winding up the school year here, so we only got a week and 1 day. And actually it's a little bit less than that because we're off on Monday for Memorial Day. But also I hope today, boys and girls, that today is the day that all library books had to be turned in. So I really hope that everybody turned in their library books. And if you did, then you are part of a drawing then to make sure that you can get a prize. So I hope you found those books. I hope you turned them in. For our May birthdays to announce, we have one birthday. So we have Isabella Rubalcaba. So happy birthday to you. And then we have a couple of birthdays coming up till the end of the month. And then we'll do some announcements of some summer birthdays then next week for June and July. Lunch choices would be French toast sticks with sausage, cheeseburger, or fun on the run. And today our paws are brought to you by our 4th grade students. Alright, we have some 4th grade students here to talk about things with paws.
Don't push people. Don't hit people.
Don't pound down people.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. And everyone have a great day today. Remember, library books, turn them in. Make sure that you can get those in. If you didn't bring them today, tomorrow is the last day. So it's very important. Everyone else, let's have a great day today. Remember, choices are yours, so let's make some great ones.